What's up, y'all? We at the Explorer on ATVs. Me and the wife. We ride. Alright, keep your eyes on the road. Keep your eyes on the road. Don't kill me now. Woo!
I need her to go faster. This girl in front of me is slowing down my... I'm trying to have fun with this. She's driving like Sunday school.
Yeah! Uh-oh.
It's just not making an accident. Either is fast.
Oh boy, here we go. Whoa. Wow. We in here. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Whoa. God damn, girl, take it easy.
Is it still working? Oh, you're recording it?
Yeah, I'm recording. We'll just post later. Oh. Yeah. Going uphill.
Bad boy works overtime.
Wow. Wow, look how high we are. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna need you to take your time going down here.
I'm fine. It's just that she's backing up traffic.
Oh, these are speed bumps. No gas, just let momentum go. Alright. Oh, going back to the cave. Wow. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, the wall. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out. Oh. Whoa, we gotta turn the lights on. Wow. This is pretty cool. You know, we can do this at night.
Huh?
I said, you know, we can do this at night.
Lean that way when we're turning like that. Don't lean this way.
Got it.
Lean it to the front.
Turn the lights on. Here we go.
Turn it off.
Whoa. Wow. Woo. Wow, look at that. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Keep rolling.
Can I get some video? Hi. I didn't want Sean's arm in the way. We in the jungle, man.
That's fine.
Hurt my eyes.
Man, we should have brought some goggles.
It's because she's slow and we're behind her. Yeah, but she's scared. What is that? Meteorite detector.
What was that? A meteorite.
Right.
That's right. There we go. Oh. Oh.
That was what
Oh,
we were.
that's the hole that we went through.
Yeah.
Okay. Still here though.
Right way.
Hola.
Lights on and off, please. Lights on and off. Everything okay?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, keep going. Right side, all the way up.
Thank you. Is that it?
Might be. And this is it. Alright guys, thanks for riding with us. We'll be back on another one. We're doing some more snorkeling tomorrow. What else we got tomorrow? Oh, we got some real ATVs.
Real.
Well, we're gonna be
real.
on our own ATVs, and I won't have to worry about me crashing me. How about that? All right, take care, guys. Thanks for watching.
How was it? Good?